What's up, guys? Welcome to the first ever Asia stream on Tradeify TV. Hopefully, you guys are doing great. Today, I am with my brother, Brett. How are you doing?
Good, man. I'm happy to be here. I'm going to be on these Asia streams every night. No, I'm just kidding. That would be awesome. I'd love to go back to streaming and hop on the Asia streams with you. But no, I'm gonna be hopping in here sometimes. I wanted to, of course, come on the first one. We got a big day today.
Yeah.
I mean, it's Amas's grand opening for the Asia stream, but also
Absolutely.
the first day of the second round of the Grand Cup too. So,
hell yeah.
what are we looking at, Amas? What are we looking at?
Let me walk you guys through some analysis and what I'm gonna be looking for at the Asia Open. So you guys know wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story. I always tell this, and I think Brett likes that quote here. And for me, the strongness of the body tells me a lot about what's the next potential move. And here, as you guys can see, we printed a daily candle with a 400-point body. So that tells me that the likelihood of us opening up higher to the previous daily high is very, very likely. So here, scaling down to this hourly chart, we already have bullish structure. So it's really about reading how aggressive the open is going to be. But I am definitely going to look for those all-time highs here. If we can open up lower, flip back above the opening price, creating the downwick of a future bullish daily candle, entering, and then potentially scalping the 120 level here. Okay, so the open is going to be in 1 minute and so basically 50 seconds. I am looking to trade my Grand Cup account, so I don't know who's against me, but I will never let you get that 5K, my brother.
Someone already said I'm gonna get murked in the chat. Great. I know it looks like I got a lot of supporters in the chat. Appreciate. Hey, there we go. Someone said rooting for you. Thank you. Look, it would not be good if I just get knocked out right away. It's almost like it's nice and not nice at the same time, because it's like, all right, it's over. I don't have to worry about it anymore. But like at the same time, like I want to be in it. Like it's fun. I want to be able to like, be in there with you guys as well. I love trading, so we'll see what we can get here.
What are you seeing, Brett? Do you need to see the open first before actually executing, or do you have any sort of game plan there?
Well, we just opened now, and we opened nowhere, literally nowhere from the close, right? Like it's the same candle. So, probably just gonna watch this. I'd like to see us break down this last 15-minute candle, and then maybe I'd take a small short. But I can definitely see what you're saying. Just take out the upside last wick that we had. We had like a little bit of a double top kind of there. We had one in the morning, right? And then that moved down, and then we grinded back up. Couldn't exactly break it. So I would be interested to see that sweep up above there, like you mentioned as well.
I'll try a long here. I won't lie. I'm in longs.
The long?
Yeah.
You gotta be. We don't know if Amas's opponent's in here. He could be getting some free alpha right now.
All right, we have $50,000 in the account. Even if I lose, we're good.
Yeah, you'll be all right. What's your strategy? So wait, are we on? Let's pull up your screen if you're in a trade.
I'm in a trade right now. Yeah, I'm in longs right there.
What are you doing right now? Are you trading micros, or are you just?
I'm trading minis. Yeah, I'm literally in minis right now. So basically,
1 NQ right out the gate.
Yeah, 1 NQ. I saw the open strong. I want to see if we can move up back towards that previous daily high. Pretty big level, and I know that right at the open, especially within the previous sessions, the open was very aggressive. If I lose this trade, I'm gonna lose around like what, $800, $900. So I'll try to make it back right after. But here,
there's no drawdown. So like, you don't have to think like I only have 2K.
Yeah, exactly.
But at the same time, you still do kind of, right? Because then you're 2K in the hole, so it's tough. You need 100 points to get out of that, right?
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens. I might fade you.
It's 1 mini. It's 1 mini always.
1 mini or 10 micros. So like my personal strategy, I'm gonna do 6 micros out the gate on any trade, and I'll have 2 adds of 2.
We jumped in very aggressively within the first minute, so we'll see.
If I short here soon, at least one of us has to win, right? Like No, but I'd probably like to see your stop would be right around where I'd like to enter if we break down.
Okay, I like that.
So potential for that move to the downside, but yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be on here for about a half hour till 6:30 with you guys. So I don't know if we'll, you know how it is. Sometimes it doesn't move too much out of the range for a bit. So
Yeah.
we'll see what happens here. But the crazy thing is tomorrow. I was just saying this on the Power Hour. Tomorrow we have some pretty big earnings. So we have I'll pull it up here on my screen. We could pull up in a sec here. I'll share it. Yeah. So tomorrow, guys, don't forget the earnings at the end of the day. So there's Salesforce, Marvel, Snowflake. I don't think HP moves the market much, but those three, I don't even know if Snow moves the market as much, but Salesforce for sure, big chunk of, or not a big chunk, but a part of QQQ. So you could get a little bit of a move in NQ in that 4 to 5 p.m. period, as well as even afterwards, if they say something on the call after or note of anything. Next day, Thursday after the close, we got Dell, Costco, Autodesk. So those are also a part of QQQ, S&P as well. So, just something to note, like look at earnings, right? Because last week there was a bunch of bigger, I don't know if it was last week we had a bunch of big earnings or the week before, but going into the Grand Cup and just in general at 4 to 5 p.m., you got to look out for earnings sometimes. Those can move the market. Obviously not as much as last week where we had, or the other week where we had all of the big name and big cap stocks, but those tend to move sometimes still during the night. I've seen big reversals and the upside or downside just based on the call. They could have a big, great earnings, big candle going up. Maybe the NQ pops up 0.1%, something like that, nothing crazy. But then they reverse that move down, and then you see, again, NQ drop 0.1%. And, just that 0.1%, that could be 30 or 20 to 30 points or so. Well, now we're at 30,000, so that's 30 points, which is crazy. We're at 30K on NQ. What? Do you remember the price of NQ when you were first trading it?
It was 12. 12K.
Wow.
What about you? It was like, what, 5?
I don't know, man. I don't even know. Like, I'd have to look. I don't even, because I wasn't trading NQ, right? I was trading like QQQ. I was doing stock and options when I first started, right? So I wasn't looking at like NQ too much, but I'm guessing it must have been like 6,000. It must have been like where the you were trading it when right when it was near the S&P, or I was trading it. Rather.
Yeah.
S&P just.
It was not too far.
Right? Yeah,
it was not too far.
Yeah, it's pretty funny.
All right, so my long pulled back all the way to the opening price of that daily candle. Really good reaction so far. I want to see if we can close aggressively on that 5-minute bar. It's a pretty weak close, I won't lie. This is literally the worst entry I could have asked for. literally along the first candle.
Hey, you know what, guys? This was definitely planned. I gotta say, I think Amos just wanted to give his opponent like a little handicap.
Literally.
Right? You were just trying to help him.
Now we're gonna win this trade. I still believe in it. Let me cook here.
Let him cook. Let him cook. Don't doubt him. I'll tell you what. You got a big wick to the down. You got a big wick to the downside here. So let's see this next couple minute or two.
Yeah.
I might join you. Let's see, I gotta change mine to 6. Damn, pressure's on, bro. I'm gonna even put on the.
That stop looks tight though.
I'm gonna put on the. Put on some sounds and everything. What is that? Audio.
I completely forgot we only had 1 mini the whole day.
Damn. No. You could get at it. You can buy and sell.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, but like let's say I lose this one.
You can't double up on the next one.
I can double up.
See, that's why I'm starting with
martingale that.
That's why I feel like even 3 or 4 is not bad. You got to realize everyone's doing it, and there's more pressure now than there was on the regular Grand Cup, first round rather. And also the first round was when the market was moving. I mean, it's still moving crazy, but those days were 300, 400 points.
True.
All right, let's see here. If we break below that, we also got to do some giveaways, guys. We're gonna have to do some
100%.
giveaways. You know how it is.
What do you want to give away, Brett?
We're gonna have to
Or
give
do you
away. I see Rebecca in the chat.
What's up, Rebby?
Rebecca, what should we give away? Let's let Rebecca pick. What account should we give away, Rebecca?
My longs are getting cooked right now. I was way
I'm telling you, you're just giving someone a handicap, or you're giving them 5K if you lose.
Yeah. That's true. That's true.
Is there anybody from round 2 that's here right now? That's in round 2. Let me know. Let me know. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna join you here. I'm joining you here.
Filled.
Man, 6 micro. I'm gonna join you here, but I'm gonna put my stop at 30.
So you're in longs right now?
Min longs.
Okay.
Min longs. 6 micros. I'm a micro man today.
Okay. I'll look for a re-entry right after. I still love those longs. It's just I'll take the L on that one. Okay, so Brett is in longs right now. Okay.
But if it breaks down to 30, I'm probably gonna flip short. I actually have it set right now, so I'm long at 41. If it breaks 30, I stop out for $130, and then I actually flip short.
Okay.
But I like this. This is the lows of the close, pretty much.
Yeah, that's the thing though. It's like this is the hourly low. If we fail to, sweep this low, we could go up very aggressively.
We got
like the
Miriam in
longs,
the
though.
chat too. Hey, Rebecca, 150K select. All right, let's give the people a 150K select. All right.
Let's go.
You know what, guys? Why don't we type? Let's type. We're gonna do this one manual, but let's type. Let's type Asia in the chat. It's the first Asia stream.
Wait,
Give
I
it
think
up
he
for
has
the
to set it
Asia
up first. Does he have to set it up first?
No, I'm gonna just.
Okay.
I'm gonna do my thing. I'm gonna do my thing.
Your ting, all right.
Yeah, my thing. Amos, I'm sorry, bro. Your stop loss is my entry.
Looks like it.
Amos is gonna hit some banger overnight. I can feel it later.
I literally got stuck.
Is there usually movement now at 8, or is it like 9? I haven't really been able to watch the Asia sesh too much.
It's different every single day, but I would say like the movement happens at 8, around 8. Yeah.
8's when the I'm pretty sure that's when the crypto day closes too. Actually, did you know that?
No, I had no
Yeah,
idea.
the bit. I think so. Let me double check. I think that's what it is. Yeah, the Bitcoin candles. They the daily closes at 8 p.m.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay.
So like, yeah, that's also when the overnight opens on Sundays for stocks.
Okay.
So there's a little bit of like the 8 o'clock window there too. All right, a bunch of you guys. So what I'm gonna do what I do. That's closing my eyes, and I'm gonna scroll. Oh shit, we're about to hit my stop. Oh, they said you shall not pass. Like 1 tick away. See if we hold. My stop is actually a reverse, so we'll see. Anyway, all right, guys, I'm gonna close my eyes. And we don't have the giveaway bot set up, so we're gonna use the good old-fashioned giveaway bot, aka Simba closes his eyes and scrolls until Amos tells him to stop. All right.
All right.
Here we go.
Let's do that.
All right, ready? And tell me when.
Yep.
Lost but happy. You know what? I feel that. Sometimes you're lost, but as long as you're happy, hey, it's all right.
That's a good name.
That's a good
Lost
name.
but
So
happy.
congrats, guys. No more Asia. No more Asia in the chat. Lost but happy. You are here. Type something in the chat for us, buddy. Type something in the chat. Oh, there we go. Bro, we were 2 ticks away from my stop, and they put on the jet boosters. Come on.
Oh my. Okay.
Whoa. All right, come on. Bring me back up. I just want a little bit, you know, Amos. I just want to start. I just want to lock in like $300. Nothing crazy, you know. It's a little buffer.
How much am I down? I'm down 745.
Not much. I mean, let's
It's
think
really
about it.
nothing.
That just happened in like 8 minutes. So
Yeah, it's really nothing. Especially if I long this candle right there.
lost
I'm
but
in
happy
again.
here. Yeah, he's here. All right. Lost but happy. We got you, my friend. Let's see. Make sure you have. Let's see if you have it. You do. All right, I got you. We get to use the TTV, the Asia live chat now. Amos, the panda.
Yeah. Finally to use.
Finally to use.
Yeah, hell yeah. All right. I'll try a long again right there with you. My stop loss is gonna be wider though. Yeah, I'll join you. But I'll play off of this hourly candle. That's basically it. I'm not gonna try to, you know, top and bottom take. That's
Amos is joining me at dinner time. I love to see it.
yeah, but my stop loss is pretty wide. My stop loss is at 05. So I'm going for 66 points with a 40-point stop loss. That's literally going for the daily highs. I'm hunting them.
Amos, speaking of dinner, man, what are you gonna do? This is like prime dinner time.
Yeah,
you're gonna have to you might have to do a segment like Amos eats or like
yeah, that could be good.
Have to be like Amos's appetite or something like that.
Yeah,
like
that
might
could
have
be good.
to show some grub on the stream.
Yeah, a little 20 minutes of me eating.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, listen, man. People like that. I don't know.
be doing that for sure.
Gonna have to get a special mic for that.
Yeah.
Every crunch. I know the chat's hyped about that. I'm sure they want to see. If I'm trading, Rebecca said, if I'm trading mini on my challenge account, do I also have to trade minis in my funded? One is Tradeify, one is Trade C. Trading minis if I'm trading mini.
I didn't understand that.
I don't understand, Rebecca. Oh, she said spam. Wait, I'm confused. You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want, guys. The Grand Cup account is totally separate from the challenge and funded accounts. You can even hedge. Like, not on purpose, but like, let's just say like you want it to be in like 1 con short and like 3 cons long on your fund, like 1 con short on Grand Cup and 3 long on the regular, you can. There's no hedging. By the way, that's for you too, Amos, so you could do that.
That's good. Yeah. All right. What are we thinking right now, Brett? Are the longs cooking or?
I mean, we're just chopping. They put in that nice 1 minute fucking zoomer, and now we're just sitting here.
Yeah, I think it will take some time. We'll definitely take some time. I'll let this hour go at least. The way that I'm gonna answer off of this is totally different.
Nick said on our stream you can't hedge. No, you're fine. You can. Not that like you're trying to purposefully hedge, but there is no hedge for the Grand Cup specifically. You can't do minis and micros simultaneously. No. So
I think that's what your question was, no?
Maybe that was it. Maybe I just was like having a stroke and read it wrong. But so if you have 1 mini, remember that's the equivalent of 10 micros. If you have 1 micro, you can't do 1 mini because that would be the equivalent of 11 micros. So it's basically one or the other, guys. Keep that in mind. Now people are going to hedge their funded. So many tickets income. Well, technically, there's not even that many people. There's only 1,000. I mean, that's a lot of people, but
yeah, definitely.
There shouldn't be that much.
Yeah.
No, that wasn't it. I can't even spell. Wait, that wasn't your question? All right. We don't. Wait, never mind. We do speak Canadian. Moss does. I go,
Yeah.
I was about to say, we don't speak Canadian.
Wait, Joey's in the chat. What's up, Joey?
Hey, Joey. I was just wondering if our Grand Cup account was linked to our funded, so I didn't know if they had to keep the contract size.
No.
Oh,
Okay.
no. Yeah, that's not even a rule anyway. You don't have to keep the contract size the same on any account. You don't check for that. Unlike some people.
Oh, we do have a pretty aggressive candle right here, Brett.
Looking good, yeah, it looks
Yeah.
nice. But it's stopping at that same spot. This right
Yeah,
under 50, right?
47 level.
Yeah.
It's the open. So we'll see.
Yeah, this is right at the open/close because it didn't really move. So let's see.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
go. There we go. Come on.
Oh, come on. We gotta hit this banger together.
We got to. I just want like $300, man. That's it. All right. I just want a little juice to start my night with, you know? There's nothing like, it's almost like it's like that first sip of Coke, you know? First sip of Coca-Cola. It's just, it just hits different. It gets you in, it gets you right.
I agree.
We got to do another giveaway in a couple minutes also. We're going to be doing some giveaways. We got to be hot. Oh, shit. There we go.
Nice.
All right. We
It's ripping.
smashed through.
Come on.
Mm-hmm.
That is good. If we get back above 77, I'm very confident we hit the previous daily high within the next 15 minutes.
What was your entry on the first one?
You know, it was literally 73.
Oh shit, never mind.
I chased that candle.
I thought it was like the 60s, 65 or something.
No, I chased that candle like crazy.
Here we
I
go.
was like, there's no daily open. I'm just gonna long it.
I can't believe I'm even gonna say this because this is like pussy shit, but I'm taking 2 off here.
Oh my, Brett.
Oh
I
man, I'm
recognize
4
you.
micros long. Listen,
What is
I'm feeling like Nick M, who snipes like those 150-point trades. But I'm scared.
yeah.
I just want some profit here. Nick does good with micros.
Did he switch his strategy?
I don't know. Miriam here or Spud? Because they would know more than me.
I don't go to the AM session anymore. I used to. It was such a good time.
Yeah, they're fun. I was with my neighbors yesterday, Memorial Day, and he was like, he said he watches in the morning, and he's like, I love watching that potato. I was cracking up.
I'm still like, how did that meme, end up becoming something real?
I can't even remember the first day he did it.
Yeah.
Hey, Miriam's here. She said he's the no stop loss butcher. That's his strategy, Miriam. It's just called no stop loss butcher.
I saw a stream he had no stop loss actually. That's kind of true.
He has 1 or 2 micros and goes no protection. Wow. He's looking just to have a micro baby, huh? That's crazy. Right, do we get a bonus if we lose the whole 50K? You know what? If you do it and if you do that and it's not just all fees, opening and closing, maybe you win a special prize. Who knows?
With 1 minute would be crazy.
And if you do that, I will make sure that Tradeify copies your trades inversely every single day.
Literally, B-book you.
We'll B-book you so hard. Brett, can you explain why you longed? Yeah, I just basically took, I mean, it's on the master screen's fine. It's the same thing. I just basically took those, the bottom of the, or here, it's on mine now. Yeah, the bottom of this close that we had. It was just like the 350 to, I'm sorry, 450 to the close here, pretty much. Oh, wait, not 450, sorry. I'm getting all my times messed up. Yeah, 450 to the close. Yeah, 450 to the close level. And basically, I saw we had a big push up, and then we kind of started to base around, these candles started to slow down. It was like a little bit of a slower dump. So I just wanted to see this hold. And then I had my stop literally a few points right below this previous wick. We actually almost hit it. It's funny because If we went to, I think this hit, it's about 30.5, 30.50. My stop's at 30, so I'm surprised I didn't get wicked out there.
Yeah,
I almost got
it was
wicklist.
it was very close.
But yeah, it was just a little risk. I think it was, let's see, what was I risking on this trade? It was like 130 bucks. So yeah, for me, I want to build a little buffer of like a couple $100, 300 to 500 before I go in that first either mini or 10 contracts. And then, you know, that way I kind of get a free trade. I kind of get a free trade, right?
Yeah.
So we'll see. Do I trade evaluations? Yeah. Trade evals sometimes. I'm always trading the competition here or there, testing it out, seeing what they're doing, getting my little fix in of a little 15 con full port, you know, on a 150K. Gotta do that. Hey Brett, what strategy is getting the most payouts? Different for everyone, but the one that doesn't take too many trades and the one that doesn't go for home runs to swing for the fences. I'll say that. That's pretty much all.
Someone asked, is Amos fired if he blows the competition account live on stream with you, Brett?
If you blow the account in the next 7 minutes, I think we might have to revoke the Asia session from you.
The whole 50K.
Yeah.
No, that would be bad.
Yeah, that would be pretty bad.
That would be pretty bad.
Oh, Miriam's in a trade?
Miriam.
Uh-oh.
Tell me you're in longs.
I hope Miriam shorted the open, or I hope she's in a long with us.
Tell me you're in longs. It's not going anywhere.
Yeah. Oh, I got to change my stop because before, you know, you just remind me. Before I had the inverse, I'm going to move my stop to 34. And if I get stopped out, I'll be up 20 bucks on the day, brother. Hell yeah, let's go. You know, enough to buy a Moss dinner tonight.
Let's go.
Get him a little order.
And I want those daily highs. If we're not getting them in the next 2 hours, I'm gonna be pissed.
Ooh, let's check gold. Someone said gold. Let's see.
Yeah.
What is it? K right now? No, no, it's not
No,
K.
What is it?
M also, right?
GC.
Yeah, GCM.
Yeah,
How did GCK come up first? Anyway, let's see. All right, gold. Gold basically did the same thing as NQ.
Yeah, it's shopping.
A little bit more spotty, but it basically did the same thing. There's no silver. So it's just, how about oil? You know, I got to keep an oil on the watch too. There's been some decent moves in oil.
Mm-hmm.
Oil's not bad. Oil's pumping up. Oil had a nice move up here.
Yep.
You never trade oil, right? I think we talked about this.
No, I never traded oil. I used to trade it in my first year though, actually. Yeah.
I'll tell you what, look at this oil chart on the 15. This is a clean channel.
Yeah, it is.
That's a clean setup, right? Like,
Yeah,
I mean, it's really just holding these wicks right here.
It is.
And to the on the top too. Damn.
It's like,
I might be watching this tonight.
like 5 hours of accumulation right there.
Yeah.
At
Yeah,
least.
yeah. Literally since 11:30. Shit.
Yeah.
We got any oil barons in the chat or what? Who's oil trading?
Yeah,
Hey,
who's in long?
Miriam's long with us. I think at least. She said, I do love my shorts, but I need 30K to break. Oh, wait. Oh, she means the short down.
30K to break. That's my stop loss. GG's.
Oh, no. I'm going to kill it on gold, Rebecca. Hey, Rebecca's going to be the gold trader of the group for sure.
Yeah,
I wonder what Bud's going to be doing. Bud's going to be doing some 931 contract full port.
100%. 100%. Everyone's going to be up tomorrow at 9:30. Just waiting for the first 1 minute bar to break.
Yeah. 1 minute or break. The 9:30 or break.
9:30 or break.
Oh man. Hey Brett, next Grand Cup, do one instrument to trade like NQ. Could maybe just ESNQ. That's not a bad thing, but people trade, you know, gold, silver. I don't think we're gonna do silver again, but CL, not a lot of people trade it. We posted a poll, guys, on Twitter, actually, of what the most traded assets were in the first round of the Grand Cup. We're gonna reveal that.
I think I know what it is.
A lot of people. I bet everyone's gonna vote wrong. What they thought. Did you see what I posted it in our Slack? Did you see what it was?
No, I didn't. I didn't see.
Yeah, it was surprising. Anyway, any way to get a head-to-head live on stream for about 30 minutes? Hey, maybe we could try later on. We don't have any set up for tomorrow. We do have a lot of the Outlaws coming on though this week. That'll be interesting.
We are 570 people watching right now on the first stream. Amazing, guys, and I think it's a good time to do a giveaway, Brett. What are you thinking?
Do it. Let's do another one. Holy shit, we got 570?
Yeah. 576 people in the chat right now.
Okay. Okay.
That's tough.
Do 2 giveaways back to back, man. Like we on the cover of Lethal Weapon. Come on, stop playing with me. All right.
Cool.
All right, let's run that shit, Janice.
All right.
Let's do it. You want to do one or me? Scroll. Here, you pick you know what?
Yeah,
Actually, wait. You'll pick. All right.
Yeah, I can pick.
The keyword though is for my brother Amas, so you got to put an Amas in the chat. And then Amas is gonna do our little manual style picker until we get that set up for you guys next week. But let's give it up for Amas in the chat, guys.
So spam. The word is Amas. All right. Yeah. Spam Amas in the chat. The keyword is Amas. We're doing a giveaway right now. What account are we giving away, Brett?
Yeah. What should we give away? It's your giveaway. What do you want to give away? I know what you want to give away.
Are we doing that?
I think we got to do it. It's your giveaway, man.
All right, let's do a 150K lightning funded account. All right.
Whoa. Let's do it. I knew that's Amas's favorite. Amas is a lightning.
That's my favorite account.
Amas is a lightning funded junkie.
100%.
Amas loves that burst he gets from the sky.
Yeah.
What is going on here with this price action? We just had that. Oh, here we go. Whoa! Right when I said that, I just had to wake it up. Got those. I mean, we're getting these like. I mean, it's nothing much, right? It's like 10 points, but like,
yeah,
we're getting these like back-to-back 10-point candles, and then we're getting a little bit of retrace. Put a little bit of a higher low there.
It's like you have to play it differently, in my opinion. It's like you got to play off of a level rather than just waiting for 1 minute structure to appear.
Yeah.
Like that's why I have a wider stop. I just want to go for this daily high here, predicting that we opened up lower, flipping back above the open, and we're gonna see some upside. Could fill.
I like this hold here. I like this 30 to 40 hold though. It's held 3 times, like multiple 5-minute candles. So
that's the thing though. It's like if it starts printing above 77, I'll just put my stop loss to break even and let it ride.
Yeah, I feel you.
All right. So
all right, Amas, ready?
All right. Okay. Wait.
All right, close them up. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, scroll it. And you're gonna stop. Oh, you already did?
Okay, you can go?
Yeah, go ahead, pick one.
Okay, I just pick one randomly? Okay.
No,
Sean...
close your eye. Oh, sorry, Sean. You were about to read some guy. I feel bad for him now.
Wait.
So basically, like, I put my mouse on the chat, right? And then I scroll up and down. And then and when I say stop, whoever it lands on.
Oh, okay, I thought it was with my eyes.
No. We can do him too, though. We'll give away a bunch. All right, Sean. Get that guy, Sean. What's his name, Sean?
Yeah, Sean. It was the first guy that landed on him, basically.
Now he's lost.
Sean C V2Z.
All right, Sean V C2Z R2D2. You won an account, a 150K lightning funded. Type something in the chat, and then we'll do another one right now because it's Amas's favorite account.
Yeah, my fault.
Amas's day. All right, here we go. Ready? I'll tell you when I say stop, then you got to stop. You just keep scrolling up and down.
Yeah.
All right, ready and stop. Who we got?
GRMR. I don't know how to spell it, but
GRMR. Man, you guys got whack names compared to my
GREMR.
man. You guys got whack names compared to my man Lost But Happy.
Yeah, Lost But Happy was sick.
All right, hold on. Sean CV. Where's Sean? Let me. Can you get their channels? Can you put it in the chat?
Man, they're spamming so hard right now.
Got them. All right.
Sean and GRMR.
150K lightning funded. All right.
Lightning funded. That's crazy.
$500 accounts. Like,
sheesh. Like it's nothing.
You know what we gotta do?
Yeah.
I know what we're gonna do.
Tell me.
I gotta go in like 5. But the last one we're gonna do, this is huge. This is gonna be the biggest one we've ever done.
Max Aloe.
Max Aloe bundle of, but listen, I'm not gonna go one lightning funded, but I'll do a bundle. Max Aloe.
Okay.
Selects.
Oh shit. Okay. Max Aloe.
Stop typing in the chat. Stop typing in the chat. If you type Amos again, you guys aren't allowed to
Stop
win.
typing Amos.
Right?
Okay.
Stop typing Amos.
Okay, so Brett is giving away.
You gotta cook on a keyword here, though. You gotta cook on one.
Okay, so
Brett
Brett is giving
a couple minutes.
550K select account to one person. So Max Aloe to one person.
Yes, Max
right?
Aloe, 150K select.
What word are you thinking? I'm thinking about one word that.
I think we already know the word. Yeah. Type it to you right now. Wait. Gotta be this. I mean, come on, right?
Where is it? Where did you send me?
In the Asia Live.
Yeah.
Or it can just be the lone man himself.
I think I like the first one more.
All right. Well, let it sit a minute. Guys, stop typing. Guys, come on.
Stop typing them on. Stop typing them on.
You're not going to win anything. I'm keeping track of all these names. I got a photographic memory, all right? I can see 500 people spamming right now, and I know every single name. Hey, I see a name right there. His name's Brett, my brother. I bet that guy heard whenever you intro me, you're like, we got my brother Brett. He's probably like, let me make an account on YouTube called My Brother Brett. Brett, my brother.
Brett, my brother.
Oh man, that's too funny. Man, all right, let's get a move up. Come on. Hey, Miriam's on with us. She is good.
Nice.
Miriam goes, I've never sweated so hard from being down $45. Miriam, I'm not gonna lie, I was the same way when it was it was literally 2 ticks from my stop. Like, hold on, they don't I haven't shown I thought they put the stop loss on Tradeify. I thought it shows the line. Yeah. Anyway, it was literally like right here. It was 2 ticks.
Literally 2 ticks. Yeah.
That was funny.
I thought you put it at 31.
I don't know. I put it at 30. It was at 30 and it hit 30.5. I just raised it now to 34. Not now, a couple minutes ago. Can you make it so we can only type the keyword once? Otherwise, it's just spam. You know, if I had the powers of YouTube, I would.
The thing is, we do that in during the normal sessions.
Ah, they have it on the bot.
Yeah, they have it on the bot. If you type it twice, you're.
We'll have the bot maybe the end of the weekend. End of the week, guys. What's today? Tuesday? Maybe Friday. Oh no, you're not here Friday. So Monday we'll have it.
Yeah.
Sunday. I swear I was sweating like a sinner in church.
Yeah, these longs look.
I don't trust these longs. Joey's long with us too. Come on. The
Everyone
whole
should be
PTV crew, maybe, is long. Gotta hit something.
It has to.
Oh shit, we gotta showcase the replay. I forgot. Hold on. Did you see that? Did Brandon show you before?
No.
Oh, you gotta see this. Hold on, let me see if I can get it. Wait.
It's
You got to see this. What? Yeah, you can basically, we can replay everybody's Grand Cup trade. Oh, here, I'll show you. I'm gonna replay my trade. I mean, it's not done yet, but like part of it. I'm gonna get it right now. So we could see it like on FX replay.
Oh shit! Okay, that's good.
Yeah. So we can play them all out.
All right, I have to win this trade then, because I lost my first one. People are gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna fade this.
You know what you're gonna have to do tomorrow on your session, right? You're gonna have to replay your loss, and then you gotta replay this club.
Literally. Yeah, we're going for that daily high. I want to see it.
It's looking good. Miriam's scaring me. She's like, doesn't look. She's like, I don't know how I feel about it, but come on, Miriam, you gotta have faith. We got all the gang in this.
It's like it's gonna take at least another 30 to 40 minutes. You know.
He said he's retiring if he loses the first round. You know what we should do? We should have had like we should have did like a like you know how like in fantasy football the last place person has to like do something or like like I forget what is it called. I don't remember what that's called. Chat, help me out. What am I trying to say here?
I don't know the word.
I don't know it either. They'll tell me. That someone, a degenerate here's got to know it. They got to know what I'm talking about.
Degenerate.
Some degenerate has to know what I'm talking about. Anyway.
For sure.
Anyway, we should do it in the chat right now. Whoever has the lowest P&L in TTV chat, they got to do something when we all meet up.
If I don't win this trade, it might be me. I'm telling you.
It's just the last. Yeah, I guess it's just the last place punishment. Yeah, it's just the punishment. Yeah, that's what it's called. That's a good bet. I'm gonna post that in the chat right now. So. On the TTV. Let's see. Whoever has lowest. We're gonna like pour a gallon of Gatorade on them alive or something.
Ice bucket challenge.
Yeah. That would be crazy.
It looks good right now.
It's looking good.
Lying.
Come on. Push. Shove the 60s right here. Baby needs shoes. Baby needs some shoes. All right, I know what's going to push us through. This Max Allo giveaway.
Come on.
Amos, why don't you drop the code in the chat? Tell the people. What's the code for Max Allo?
Okay, let me just send it. Okay, the code is Max Allo.
Max Allo is the code. So guys, we're going to give one person 5 select 150K accounts. That's the biggest giveaway for sure. Actually, no, we've done once or twice Max Allo Lightnings, right?
Yeah, we've done in real life in Miami. Event. That was sick.
Here we go. See, what did I say? We needed to do a giveaway. Come on. Let's go, chat.
Let's go, chat.
Let's go.
The good vibes.
Come on, push up to those highs, man. Let's get back to 70.
Oh, we need that. I actually need that.
They heard us say Lightning funded and Max Allo, and they started itching. Bulls were like, bye.
Yeah.
Come on. Max Allo. Who came up with that, dude? I think the first time I heard it was Tyler.
Tyler?
Yeah, TG Capital. Max Allo. Is either
Dan was spamming it also.
Where'd you hear it?
Dan.
Oh, from Dan.
Max Allo. Yeah.
I got it from. I think we both got it from Tyler. I think. And I heard him say it for the first, like with his fucking New York accent. He's just like, "Oh, Max Allo." Like I was like cracking up, bro. I was like, "No way, you just called it that."
All right.
Come on.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it. You want to rip it?
All right, I'll rip it. Okay.
All right.
I'm closing my eyes.
All right, chat. So he's gonna pick one, and whoever wins this gets max out 150k selects. All right. So I hope you win, and the lucky person is gonna get picked in 3, 2, 1. Now, who we got?
AS, bro. What are those names?
It's not Brett, my brother.
No, it's Ashtick 3485.
He said it, not me. I don't know what you just said, but
Ashtick. ASHTIC 3485. Congrats.
Type something in the chat. And guys,
I really
stop
wanted
typing in the
Brett,
chat.
my brother, to win that.
I really wanted him to win too.
Brett, my brother.
Brett, my brother. Just want to hit 300 on this trade, bro. That's what I want. Hey, there we go. He hit it. Ashtick 34. Where is he? Did he type something?
Yeah, I think he did. Yeah, like
All right.
he's like thanks.
Yeah, I see him.
Not even thank you. Oh my god.
Not
I
even
love
like
you guys.
thank you.
Just-
Oh my
just
god.
Thanks. Thanks, brother.
Bro, I'm on your page right now. You got to put your email in the description. You have some Valorant videos here. Doesn't look like you're
Oh.
too good.
Valorant videos.
He's got some Valorant videos. Yeah, he's clipping. He's got some highlights. They're from 3 years ago, though.
Oh, okay. What was he playing?
He was playing. I don't play Valorant, so I don't know the people. I'm gonna be
Shit,
honest.
let me see. Let me see what operator. It's gonna tell me a lot about him.
Yeah.
Yeah. If he plays like some random ass. Wait, is he? Okay.
Oh
Go to
no,
chat.
I'm not.
Wait.
Oh, don't look.
Oh. Yeah.
See, you know what? We should have gave this account to Brett, my brother.
Yeah.
Oh man, guy Ashtick, he ain't it, coach.
But he's a grinder though. He's
He
been
is a
posting
grinder.
like regularly on Valorant, but he stopped.
He is,
So
he is.
he might be watched.
All right, chat.
Yeah.
Look, we got 675 people. We got to get to how many likes we got? We got to get to at least half that, 400, at least almost 400 likes. Let's get to 400 likes. 400 likes. We'll do one more before I gotta hop off, and then I'll let Amos cruise you guys into the sunset.
Cruise you guys into the sunset.
You like that one,
I love that one. That was tough.
Miriam? We don't want to hear it. All right, stop typing in the chat, Miriam. All right.
I told you. I told you they didn't look good.
I want to hear this
That's
shit.
Miriam's intuition right there.
This guy's Spudnik fan club. What the? Like.
I expected the first hour to move more than this. I really did. Especially
people
looking
think
at. Wait.
Some people are saying the keyword is like. That's how bad it is. What'd you say? Sorry.
I said yeah. I expected the open to move faster than this, especially looking at Sunday, how it moved.
Yeah.
Let me see yesterday how it moved.
Brought my jug of ketchup. Guys, 400 likes. Come on, we're 17 off, 15 off. I thought you guys wanted a giveaway. Come on. I didn't know the chat was this week.
700.
I won an
good.
account here. I don't trust anything at this time or session. Yeah, I don't blame you. Down 150. Typing out my Joey's down 150. He goes typing out my retirement letter. Should be on your desk by 8 a.m. Joey, you gotta get your money back. Oh, I gotta show you guys the video. Yeah, wait. Yeah, I got it. Oh no, I don't have it. Where is it? Oh wait, I can log in. Send me the link. I can show you. Oh man, don't make me round trip my $200 trade, bro. I'm gonna be pissed. The real question is, are you gonna take an overnight? Are you gonna take an overnight trade, Amos? Like when you go to sleep? Well, you're gonna see where it's at. But like,
If I lose, I swear if I lose this trade, I have to. Like, there's just literally no chance of me not doing it. It's like I see longs tomorrow, especially. I see that next daily bar printing to the upside. So, you know, during the London session, if we pull back all the way to like 950-ish, I'll stab along and just predict open is going to be to the previous daily high. Usually I want to see that daily high being taken out during the Asia session. That's the thing. It's like usually like when you step into the New York session, the daily highs and lows are always taken out. Like, it's very, very rare that they are not taken out, which is like one of the strategies I'll take during the Asia session. But it can take like at least 2-3 hours before it takes out the draw. So we'll see. If I lose this, it's gonna be an overnight banger for sure.
We're still holding this level, man.
We are accumulating though. A big move's gonna happen, and the hourly candle is gonna close within the next 12 minutes. So when this hourly candle closes, we might see something good or bad happening.
Bro,
Stop filled.
Stop filled. Let's just go to my screen real quick, and let's just know that I'm ending this session with a Moss in profit. Oh wait, no, I'm not because of fees. Fuck. I had $2 in profit total.
No.
But I ended the session down $9 a Moss.
Damn. Fortunate. It's the price action. We gotta blame it on the price action.
I really do. You know what? I gotta do this while we do this giveaway. I gotta do it for the gram though.
Order filled.
I'm 1 mini in, baby. 1 mini long. I'm revenge trading it real quick. I'm going on that. All right, chat, quick. The keyword, because I gotta bounce. The keyword is tilt. T-I-L-T. Don't forget the L, otherwise it's not good.
That's good. Tilt.
T-I-L-T, all right? And let's get this long. Miriam, I don't want to hear it. Don't type in the chat. And
Miriam, it's gonna go up. Chill. Chris.
I just want a little bit up, Miriam, and then it can go back down for you.
Yeah.
Then we'll be good.
Just delete the stop loss, you're good.
Just delete the stop loss, yeah. No SL Butcher.
No SL Butcher.
That's so funny.
That was good.
All right. Give me $100. I'm gonna look for $100 on this trade. That's it. That's it. I want to go to 40. Hold on, I gotta change my screen back to this. I'm looking to go to 40. That's it. 40.25. Come on. Don't sweep these lows. Brett, by accident, I bought an evaluation. I didn't mean to buy it yet. Well, why didn't you mean to buy it yet? Why not? Why were you at the checkout screen if you didn't mean to buy it, bro?
Oh my god. Yeah. Typed every number of the credit card and then
why was every number of your credit card typed in and then you just said, you know what?
I mean, if it was like a rebill, I can understand, but that
Maybe.
no.
Wait till 7 p.m. Eastern, it will move. Why will it move then? Is there a bigger move coming then? Oh, come on. Just give me. I love how I'm like freaking out over like 4 points. This is sad. Come on, bro, it's at my TP. Come on. No way. It hit 40 and not 40.25. It's gonna hit right here. Ready? Chat. It's gonna hit in 3, 2, motherfucking 1. We're doing a giveaway for fun because I'm with my boy Amos. You know he's going. What rhymes with Amos, bro? Shit. He's got. What the hell rhymes with Amos? Messed up my rap.
Amos.
I used to do freestyles on my lives. I low-key can crush it if I'm in the flow. If I'm in a flow state.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I need like a beat on it. I would put on.
Order filled.
Here we go. Come on.
Let's
All right,
go.
now you can dump it. Now you can dump it if you want for Marion. But oh wait, you're still in the trade, right?
Yeah.
Never mind. Sorry, I need my brother on Moss.
Never mind.
All right, ready? Here we go. I'm closing my eyes. And I'm peeking. Just kidding. I'm not. And the winner is. And what are we giving the winner away while I'm scrolling here, Mas? Tell me. Mix it up. What should we give him?
We're giving him a 100K growth account.
Okay, 100K growth. All right, 150K. Come on, man. Don't be cheap.
All right,
Don't be
150.
cheap. Come on. All right, ready? And the winner is Miles Porter, 692.
Yeesh. Congrats.
Congrats. I got your account here, brother. I brought it. Whoa, why did I sell, dude? Look, this channel, it says this channel is for clothes and instrumentals. Okay. You gotta put your email in your profile, my man. 150K growth. Gotta put your email in your profile. So Mas, what was your entry? Where's your entry, man? Oh, you're right here, pretty much, right?
Yeah, it's 46. Yeah, right at the open, basically.
Well,
it's not
guys,
looking too good, but
I'm ending my night. Well, I'm gonna take a trade later, probably, but I gotta go home, go eat, get the kid ready for bed. But we're sitting at $84.84 profit.
damn.
Now, look, don't call me a magician. Don't call me the best, but I'm the best in the motherfucking Wild West. That's all I gotta say. So if you're my opponent, it's not looking good for you, bro. I'm $84 up in the green. And you got Amos giving everybody
smiling right now.
his guy a chance. Amos is giving his competition a little bit of a one up on him, but he's gonna come for blood later.
Yeah,
It's part of his mental strategy.
yeah. I have a whole 50K to play with, so I'm big.
Exactly. Amos is gonna hit a 400-point NQ trade today.
No DLL. There's no DLL. There's no stop loss.
No SL, no DLL butcher.
No DLL
Canadian
butcher.
Love it. Do I still trade while doing Tradeify? Yeah, I do. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not good, but still do. Love to trade. All right, guys, I gotta head out. Amos, take these people into the sunset. I know you're gonna have a great rest of the stream. Hopefully you get some
100%.
good action. I'm excited to see you do a lot of these Asia streams in the future. Tune in when a lot of the times I'm able to kind of listen in the background at night, especially. So I'll be watching, I'll be hopping on a couple. And yeah, guys, shout out to Amos hopping on these Asia streams. You guys are going to have a great time with him. He's got some really cool things planned. Go over some strategy, education, different stuff. And maybe we'll get that appetite of Amos or Amos appetite. Who knows?
Yeah, that is a good idea.
Might get some food. Who knows? We might even go in the kitchen with Amos. Who knows? Maybe he's gonna chef something up. I don't know.
That could be good. That could be good.
But all right, hey, thanks for having me, Amos. I wish you
Appreciate
the best, brother. If you get knocked out, you might not do the Asia stream anymore. So enjoy your first and potentially last Asia stream. All right, brother.
All right, brother.
All right, chat. All right, Amos. See you guys.
See you. Oh my god. What's up, chat? Brett just killed me right there. Well, all right, we're currently in drawdown still. I want to see the daily high here, very strong at the close during the New York session. Sorry. Opened up lower. I want to see if we can flip back above that daily opening price. It is a huge level. My stop loss is wide. You know, it's gonna take some more time before actually ripping up. I'm confident in that play. I'm definitely confident. If it pulls back and accepts below 30, I will need to wait for London and actually take a swing. But yeah, my thesis is always Asia's gonna take the daily high or low if the candle closes strong. Always, it's always this. So we'll see. We gotta play it differently. You see how the entry models don't really do anything to the price action. It could chop for literally 45 minutes and then 5 straight bullish bars will take out the daily highs. So still confident in that play. We'll see. I'm in my Grand Cup account. If you're my opponent right now, you don't even need to trade. I'm down like 700. But if I win this trade though, you're cooked. If I win this trade though, you're cooked. 100% cooked. All right. Yeah, that's the thing though, Miriam. Also, it's like we've had some really good Asia sessions lately. That's the thing. I really anticipated a strong open from the daily close, you know. But we'll see. It might take some time and then actually rip for hours. So. And the thing is, that's gonna be also I would say the challenge for me during terms of risk to reward, but in terms of a framework, I will need to go up a time frame. So either just trade the hourly, the 4-hour, or the daily chart, because those levels are, they don't necessarily require you to have such a precise entry. So you can, base your trade off of a framework way more than your entry model, which, doesn't make any sense within the Asia session anyway. So we'll see. Really good rejection from that 15-minute bar. Looking to see if it can actually flip here, but that hourly candle is closing bearish. The open's gonna tell us. The open's gonna tell us. Miriam, are you still in longs with us? Or you flipped your bias? Gold ripping. Let me see. Is gold actually ripping? Damn. Should have traded gold then. We're currently at 445 likes. Okay, we're gonna do a giveaway at 500 likes. That's what we're gonna do. Again, another giveaway at 500 likes. We did not even ask for those likes, so me and Brett just, I would say Brett just ripped it. No, I flipped so quick. All right, I'm scared now. My sister's in short, and I'm in longs. I literally jumped in the first gamble also. I saw the first 1-minute bar. I played the opening range 1-minute bar breakout. Literally. Well, as long as a 15-minute candle closes below VWAP, may go down. Alright, appreciate you, brother. Brett, my brother. My brother. Alright, looking good. Looking good on that 5-minute close. Hourly candle just closed. Alright. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. Alright, come on, chat. Come on, chat. We gotta hit it. I gotta hit that 2K banger in life. Literally. And then I'll order some food. Eat the food here with you guys. You guys pick the food I'm gonna eat. And then that's it. Alright. Just like that, right back down minus 50 bucks. Let me shut my mouth. Guys, if you eliminate on first day, you're gonna get some reward. If I do get eliminated this round, I think my opponent gets 5K immediately. So that's a pretty good look for him. Yeah, I'll have another mic ready for the ASMR. Yeah, Taco Tuesday. Damn, that could be a play though. That could actually be a segment, Taco Tuesday. Yeah. And I also have the big, smart screen right here. You could put a movie together and just eat it. We're up 7K on gold. All right. 7. That's definitely not on the Grand Cup though. With 1 mini. Let me see how much money you would have made if you longed the open on gold with 1 mini. Let me see. Let me see if gold moves more than NQ. It's a red at the open. Yeah, it's definitely the same thing. It looks like the same thing in terms of the range. It's not too different. So I mean, I'm gonna stay on my NQ chart. All right. Moss just being a good guy and letting his opponent win is exactly what I'm doing. If I lose, I'm gonna cope by saying, you know, I know my opponent needed that money more than me, and you know, it was a sacrifice. Plus, I was trading the Asia session. It was choppy, caught off guard. You know, I was chilling with my brother Brett, my brother. You know, was not focused. Easy code. Always, you always have to find a reason. Risking 43 points with 1 mini, 100%. What are we talking about? I am not scared of 40 points of drawdown. If it breaks 28 though, I'm gonna be scared. If it breaks that low, like strongly, at that point I'm gonna be scared of that 40 point stop loss. But until then, wicks do the damage, body tells the story, so we're gonna be good. I think, you know, I think we got this. With how strong this open was, I think we got this, chat. Truly. And if I win, I'm gonna be up around like what, 800, 900? I am literally gonna wait tomorrow morning to see if my opponent is down. And if he's down, I'm gonna track every single one of his moves until I know like I need to trade. Literally, that's my game plan. Because if your opponent is like negative 4,000, the likelihood of you winning if you're like up 300 bucks is like insanely high. So you don't even need to trade that much. You only need to take your 3 trades, and those not being 10-second trades, and you're gonna be good. What's the confluence for this trade? Yes, so here the daily candle closed very strong and bullish. The daily open, we opened up lower, forming the downwick of a future future bullish daily candle, which flipped back above the opening price. At this point, I would consider any bearish structure being formed just being a fake out to generate sellers within the market, trap them, and then to go back towards the previous daily high. I'm scalping that daily high right there. That's the move. Is the play different than my usual trades? Of course, because we're trading Asia session. So the stop loss is wider, the timings are different, but you know, the framework stays the same, and the mechanics behind the trade is the same exactly. So yeah. I'm literally gonna come back in like 2 seconds. My nose is killing me. Back. With how this candle closed, I'm not too worried. This hourly is pretty weak, but we do need to see the next 15 being strong. If it wicks again, yeah, it's gonna be bad. Autograph and photo break. All right. What do you guys think about the picture I have for the Asia stream? Is it a good picture? I don't know. I kind of look. I don't know. I kind of look like I'm like 15 pounds heavier than right now. I don't know why. I look kind of bloated. What do you guys think? Type 1 if you think I look like I look a little bit bloated on that. Or I just look like this. Someone in the chat, no, Amos, you just look like shit. You just always look like shit. Tokyo Wix, I love that. Welcome to Tokyo Wix. That's fire. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the trend line that we're building is kind of crazy though. You gotta tell me that the sessions are gonna move more than this. It's our first session together, guys, but you just have to tell me right now that those sessions are gonna move faster than this. Because like right now, it's kind of bad. Strategy is CRT. I wouldn't say it's CRT. It's something that is derived from candlestick behaviors, of course. And I think everyone should have a system that is deriving from candlestick behaviors and market mechanics. Is it just purely that concept, let's say candle range theory? No. I use different concepts. I have different frameworks, but usually I would say the main difference between me and another trader is the fact that I will take out my profits so much faster than him, which is gonna build my account slowly and gradually, when another person will be in big swings of PNLs. Even if he's gonna make more than me in a day, at the end of the year I might make more. That's mostly the difference. In terms of strategies, there's gonna be a lot of people who trade either in a similar way without even knowing, or actually trade in a similar way. But I would say the risk to reward part and the overall mindset that I have is really my edge. It's really what makes me an unorthodox trader, if I can use boxing terms. All right, I play it different. Looking good. It's pushing. It's ripping. It's going up. Amos, in 50 minutes it will move, not anyone crazy, but you can have clean moves in the session. Yeah, for sure. You can definitely have clean moves. The only thing though is you can't expect them to move as efficiently as New York session. If you look at a 1 minute chart, or you look at a 5 minute break of structure, it might get right back down, accumulate for 30 minutes, and then spike up. It's more of a session, I think, that is related to the higher time frame context and what targets you need to take out during specific sessions, rather than being able to scalp. Scalping during the Asia session is quite hard. It's quite hard. But yeah, definitely the amount of times I took good trades during the Asia session is pretty crazy, but the amount of blown accounts also is pretty crazy. Definitely. I won't lie there. There was a lot of times where I just I woke up during my New York session and I had no accounts left because I traded the overnight session. And I was like, and then throughout the whole week I would try to pass my evaluations, and it was the most flawless week ever. Literally the week where if I just respected my rules, I would have gotten a payout easily. Where are you from? I am from Canada, but originally from Algeria, so North Africa. I don't know if you asked because of the mustache, but you received your answer. Now you're gonna be able to sleep well at night. All right. Is this stream permanent? Good question. Yes, it is permanent for now. But if I blow this account today, Brett's might fire me, so I don't know. We have to hit this trade. Oh shit, it's getting right back down. Yeah, it is literally the second round right now. We're trading this account live. Yeah. Support and resistance levels are key here, and you can go heavier in size, not while trading for the cup though. Yeah, I agree. Within those sessions that are a little bit slower, support and resistance will do you a little bit better than your normal ICT trades. That's for sure. Sorry, my fellow ICT traders who might take it wrong, but that's just true. Or you can use ICT, but to frame it on the higher time frame, but then be a little bit more sloppy on your entries. So we're at 476 likes currently. We need 500 likes for me to do another giveaway. It's the first stream, so you know, I might be giving away a little bit too many accounts, but it's all right. I'll just tell Brett it was the first stream. I'm so sorry. And he's gonna be like, yeah. I'm just gonna DM Brett, my brother, please. It was my first stream. Is Brett my brother in the chat? Not the real Brett, but like the Brett my brother. I just want to see you. Aren't you technically using some ICT? Yeah, I'm using it. I'm using ICT concepts literally every time I'm trading. It's just my overall approach is a little bit different, for sure. There is things that are similar, but is the overall you know, strategy the same, exact same? No, because I believe that if you want to be profitable, you need to put your own sauce to it. You know, you need to learn why you shouldn't go in a trade, why you should go heavier on this one, why is this trade higher probability, and that in reality no one can really teach that to you. Even if you're copying someone else's strategy, you will not know all the ins and outs, and you will not necessarily see all those scenarios exactly as your mentor. You know, everyone's brain is different, especially if you're using discretion. So in that sense, it is very, very important for you to add your own twist to it, and you know, build your own strategy, but deriving from all those concepts. That's mainly my take. Marble Rave. We don't have anything to do the giveaways though. It's like I'm gonna do it with my eyes. And I'm gonna close my eyes, you know, bring my crosshair up, and then someone's gonna get called. It's not gonna be a max out though. All right, chat. This 5-minute close doesn't look good. Might get cooked on that one. I won't lie. By the way, Jack Trades, I saw you posting a picture on X with Ryan in Paris. Do you speak French? Like, are you French? I was like, why is this guy in Paris? Because I saw your name on Twitter. What's your thought process behind what's on the screen? Yeah, I'll definitely walk you through this trade. So for me, you're from Paris, okay. Bonjour, comment ça va? I speak French also. I hope you knew that. But here, I'm gonna show you how I read the Asia session. Okay. Every time a daily candle closes, okay, we create what we call a daily high and low. Okay. Daily high, daily low. Usually, those highs and lows are not hunted during the New York session, which is one of those things. Every time I used to study the chart or like study someone else's strategy, I was like, why are you always talking about previous daily highs and lows when they're always taken out when I'm in my New York session? You know, I'm opening up my chart at 9:30 and they're already taken out. Usually that's like the case in a lot of days. So when I went back to my back testing, I saw that those daily highs and lows are usually hunted extremely aggressively during the Asia session or the London session. You know? So here, especially depending on how strong the close is from the previous daily close, I will be either very aggressive or passive during the Asia session. So let's say like a candle like this closes and we are at all-time highs. I will predict basically that once this daily candle closes, we will take out this previous daily high during the Asia session. So then I just need to monitor the open. I need to monitor the open of the new daily bar. If it goes down lower, I use this as a fake out, and I use this bar as, you know, a wall. This previous daily candle as a wall, and then once we flip back above the daily open, now I know that I am ready to basically see the long positions back towards the previous daily high. This is my thesis behind the trade, and this will always be my thesis usually when we close strong. I will hunt daily highs and lows during the Asia session. Is there, you know, any other ways I could potentially take a trade? Yes, but it's not moving in such a way where I can scalp the market, you know, so that's why I'm answering the way that I do. Hopefully you understood. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But do you guys agree with the fact that once you open up your chart during the New York session, the previous daily highs and lows are always taken out? It's like very rare, depending on the previous close for sure, how weak or how strong it was. You know, during the power hour is going to do a lot of things. It's going to tell you how, you know, how aggressive you need to be during the Asia session, 100%. But in general, would you guys agree that when you open up your chart, either the previous daily high or the previous daily low are already taken out? You know, let me know if you guys agree. Why we cannot trade with Tradeify from Morocco? Because I'm from Algeria, and you know, Algerians and Moroccans are like, you know, they don't get along too much, you know, so they just had to pick one, and they chose Algeria. I'm joking, bro. I actually don't know. It might be because of the Ninja Trader issues. That's what I would guess. I think there's issues with, you know, paperwork or something like this. That is for sure the case, but I cannot tell you really. Yeah, exactly. If not Asia, it's London. So like, is that a good framework to apply to, you know, trade using the previous daily, you know, opening price as a way to know who is in control, who was in control during the previous day, and then trade with them towards the previous daily highs or lows? Is it a good way of thinking? In my opinion, it is such a strong way actually to, oh my days, hell yeah. All right, you see, now we can't wick. Now if we wick this level and we come back down, we're absolutely cooked. Holy shit, that looks good. Please give me my clip. I need to see us run back to the upside. Literally start trading above 77, 84, those two 15-minute highs. Use them as stops, run back higher, and I will take out my profits at all-time highs. I really don't care. I need my 1.3K right there, 74 handles to the previous daily high. Please. I need this. All right. We're 595 people in the chat. That's kind of crazy though. I always said there was a lot of people willing to watch those sessions. Maybe we got to start doing TikTok live also. I'll text Brett after this. I'll be like, yo, put me on TikTok live. You make the best aesthetic trading bits. Damn! That is such a W comment, brother. I appreciate you so much. That's amazing. It's an amazing comment. Well, do you mean my short forms or my long forms? Because I think my short forms definitely look cleaner. Definitely. But did you know that I do my own edits? I do my own edits. It takes me a hell of a time though. You know, that's why, you know, I kind of chilled out on those videos, but I will come back strong, right, with some bangers. Because the thing is, if you want to make good short form videos, they got to be, you know, filled with value, but they also have to be super, you know, fast paced. A lot of different images, a lot of different things that you say in a certain tone, and at a certain point, you're always going to repeat yourself in another video, you know, and that's kind of where I am. So I need to, you know, brainstorm a little bit and think about something that I can do with that, you know, that style, but doing it in another, you know, another format. So I have, you know, other ideas. But why ain't you hiring an editor? Because you don't need an editor for those kind of short forms, because those edits are not edits. They're not, I would say, they're not edits, they're just cuts. And mostly all the drawing is done through TradingView that I record through OBS. I just have the strat though, I'm not gonna leak it. You know, that's my sauce, you know? Went from 0 to 14K in like 3 months, you know? But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, but those videos have been doing pretty well. I'm pretty happy. But now this trade has to go to my take profit. I'm gonna get fired. So come on. All right. What's the title of the song playing on the background? That's a good question. I really don't know. Okay, strong 5-minute bar. I like that. I like that, guys. Come on. I just want us to see it. See a rip above 84. Come on. It's 84, and then we're gonna be risk-free. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to get risk-free within this trade, and just looking to see that daily high. Looking to see that daily high. Come on. I think we got this, chat. AI could help you in this case. Oh no. I don't know if AI can replace my brain. My big fat brain. Nah, I'm joking. I'm so dumb. Literally, ChatGPT 2.0 would destroy me in anything. Do you use orb? I definitely used the 1-minute orb right there. I waited for the first 1-minute bar to close, longed the close, and ended up being, you know, the top tick of the day. Literally. But I don't use the orb. I use the same principles as the orb, but in different timings. Different timings though. You know, but the principle behind the orb is very smart. Marking out highs and lows of specific timings and waiting for them to get either broken and retested, or just targeting them to, you know, break them in the first place is a very, very smart move. I think definitely way smarter than most ICT concepts. 100%. Coming from someone who's been studying ICT for the last 4 years. Why? Because you have a clear, how can I say this? Your trades are more similar in the long run than someone who's trading on the 1 minute chart, waiting for a sweep of liquidity, an inversion, and then looking for upside liquidity, because this is subjective. Where you are on the chart and what you're doing on the 1 minute chart can change so much from market conditions to different market regimes. So like if you are always playing the orb and you always are looking for criterias within that first 15-minute candle, and you're like, okay, I'm either going to play the breakout, I'm either going to wait for a fake out, and I know exactly when to do those, you're like, there is edge to be extracted within the orb. But people think that the orb, there's no edge within the orb because it's a known strategy, and since it's known, then its expected value would decay over the long run because everyone is answering at the same time, which is true in a certain case, but that's why being profitable doesn't derive from your wins. It derives from not taking losses. So there is edge within the orb for sure, 100%. But the question you need to ask yourself is, when is it not worth it for me to trade it? Or when is it worth it for me to trade it with double the size? Or when is it better for me to wait for the last 1 minute bar to close and make sure that this is the direction, or actually predict it? There's so many things you can play around with. And there's also, adaptation factors you can add in within your system. Let's say, okay, when I have this amount of losses, or when I see this kind of price action within the first 15, I should lower my risk to protect the downside. Oh, during the summer months, I'm not going to trade the orb the same way because your data is showing you that you shouldn't trust in the same way that you do during Q1, Q4. It's there is a lot of things to do when you're finding your edge, and I think just concepts in general are not going to help you. But yeah, W question with the orb. 100%. Hey Moss, I realize you answered at 3046, but is there a way to still get in long here? Yeah, I realized what I was reading through me reading it super slowly. I was like, okay, this guy is waiting for me to tell him to long on a breakout candle like this. I won't lie, bro. If you were not in from 46 and couldn't handle the $200 loss, let it be, bro. Let it ride. Let it ride. All right. Or just pray on my downfall right there. There's two things you can do. Either pray that price goes back to my stop loss, or literally just let it be. Let it be. I wouldn't enter any longs there. I won't lie. But it's just, all jokes aside, I don't think this is a good entry depending on your stop loss. But here, as soon as we're gonna start trading above 84, guys, I will put my stop loss to break even. Boom, stop loss to break even up 720. If it goes back down, I'm gonna actually break something. I'm actually gonna break something. You guys choose what I'm gonna break in my room. But if it goes back down, all the way down here, and doesn't take out the previous daily high, it's gonna be bad. I trusted you and entered with you. Entered with me on the first trade. Your account is gone. Oh shit. Not jokes. But break the mic. Yeah, I have another mic upstairs anyway, so I might just break it. It's already broken. There's like a dent within my mic. I don't know how. I think I just dropped it. I like that. I just dropped it. Maybe. How much is orb RRR? RRR and win rate? I guess you said risk to reward. That's it. You see that question? You see that question right there? Why are you trying to replicate someone else's edge? Like, the orb is just a concept. It is up to you to know how to play it. Am I right or am I wrong? it is up to you to know when to not play it and when to play it, and what criterias you need to actually put in place for you to justify that it's a good trade. For me, the orb is just a concept. It is, okay, mark out the highs and lows. Some people will play it on a break and retest. Some people will play it, you know, try to scalp the highs and lows of it. But do I trade it? No. So I cannot give you any advice on it. And even if I was trading it, okay, let me be brutally honest with you. Even if I was trading the orb, something works until it doesn't. You can't speak in. I saw a Kane's interview with Tradeify. So true. He said you can't speak in absolutes, and it's so true. Something works until it doesn't. It's real. It's like, so it's up to you also to know how to adapt this strategy when shit goes wrong, you know? Like, I saw a tweet last time. I don't know if it was a tweet or if it was like an Instagram thing, but someone typed, I have a 75% win rate with a 1 to 2 risk to reward, but I'm still break even. Can you help me? I was watching this. I was like, okay, there's two things here. First, there's absolutely no way you have 75% win rate with a 1 to 2, because you wouldn't be saying that you're up and profitable. And second, you might need to reconsider, you know, having some rules psychologically, for sure. I'm telling you, I've heard the weirdest things ever. I have this win rate. My strategy has this win rate, but I'm still break even. I'm like, then it doesn't have this win rate. That doesn't make any sense. That's literally what I'm talking about. But you see, what you said, Michael, small wins, big losses. It's like there's two different kind of traders. There's the traders that don't really mind their losses. They're like, it's not about how much I it's not about how many losses I take. It's how much I lose when I lose, and how much I win when I win. You know, what's the size? What's the profits? And you know, when I see that vision, I'm like, damn, you know, I totally understand those traders that are rooting for not consistency in a sense, but more for, what's the word? What's the word for that? I forgot the word. But they don't care about the win rate. They really care about how much they win when they win and how much they lose when they lose, and keep the losses small, keep the wins big. And for me, that's the thing. For me, I can't replicate that, and I tried my best, and I can't. I'm just not that type of guy. You see? So within my years of trading, I was able to recognize that I was just not that guy who was able to hold his trades, or at least I've been trading for 4 years now. I don't have that capacity yet. You know, maybe after 10 years of trading, I will think completely differently, because I think as a, you know, a trader or as a human being, a lot of the things that you say right now or you used to say are based on your thought process during the time, and it will change if you get better. You know, a lot of the takes that I used to have with the psychology thing, with the trading space, used to be based on ignorance, you know, because I was not tested. Let me put you in perspective. Can you truly say that a human being is a loyal human being if he's not tested? No, you can't. You know, let's say some people are just loyal by default because they don't have I don't know, they don't have the chance to behave in a certain way that would be disloyal. Same thing in your trading, and same thing that happened to me in 2024, 2025. I would truly believe that the edge was the most important thing, and I still believe it. But I really thought that psychology had nothing to do with trading, you know. And then the market tested me, you know, and put me in a position where my edge was so mid You know, it was not generating anywhere close to what it used to in terms of return, that I needed to actually fight my emotions. And then when I saw what the market could do to me, I was like, shit, okay, psychology is a big factor, but I just did not get tested at the time. So I thought, you know, I thought it was not as important, but now I do, you know? Almost 2 a.m. Oh shit, that's true though. It's 2 a.m. for you, friends. Yeesh. Yeah, I think if it's 2 a.m. for you and you're hearing this, you might get a headache tomorrow morning. I won't lie. I won't lie. I won't lie. You gotta probably choose a different subject, and start talking about, you know, Fortnite or some shit, so you get to sleep. But you know, that's the kind of a mindset that I have. Quality over quantity, yeah, for sure, 100%. 12:30. What time is it for you guys? I want to see what part from the world are you guys watching me from? Because I am from Canada, so for me it's 7:38, so EST time, normal. Quick question in regards to what you said about the Asia taking out the previous day's highs and lows. What made you think we were going to take the high tonight first? Hussein. Good question, Hussein. I won't lie. I'll tell you one thing. The strongness of the previous close. If it's closing very strong and bullish, why am I gonna be looking for a reversal? So how strong the previous day acted is gonna be a very good indicator of how aggressive do I need to be during the Asia session. If it makes sense. Okay, a lot of different times. Let me watch it. I'm actually curious. Like, hey, from Canada, Miami. Yeah, I'm going to Miami in like what, 4 days, 4 or 5 days. I'm gonna be in Miami again, so. At this point, I literally live in Miami. Last time I went to the, like they're literally gonna ask me questions again. But 5:38 p.m. Oh shit. Midnight is not too bad. Yeah, 2 a.m. is crazy. If you're watching me at 2 a.m., you gotta go to bed right now. Like actually right now. I'm talking, but I go to bed every single day at 2 a.m. Literally. The pub, Brett. It's the pub. We're seeing it. I think we're gonna do it. Depending on how this hourly candle closes, if it closes weak, I'm gonna crash out. But if it closes strong and bullish and above 84, yeah, we're in for a rip. 100%. Gonna be good. Okay, you're watching me from Toronto. Okay, Brody, Toronto. Why do you guys say Toronto? Why not Toronto? Why do you guys think you're cool out there? Like, you guys are literally from Canada. Like, you are not cool in the first place. So why do you say Toronto with an accent? I literally said that with the most. Oh my god. I'm gonna be banned from Toronto next time I'm gonna go there. Trips on Tradeify, for sure. Bretty. On Brett, my brother. Slovenia, damn. Both our sleep schedule is cooked. Yeah. I mean, back in the day, my sleep schedule was cooked because I was backtesting too much. So like, I was literally dreaming about candles. I swear to God. So then, like, I'm telling you, I had such a hard time going to sleep that I stopped watching, you know, a candle Like, you know, I cannot look at a candle. I make that rule for myself. I cannot watch a candle starting at 8 p.m. At 8 p.m. I close every chart, you know? So that was a very good rule that I added for myself. You know, you cannot do deep work so late. It's like, if you do that, your sleep's gonna be so bad. California, never went there. Sheesh. Unless at this point, I can watch London session after the stream. Yeah. What time is it for you, Mince? And you are from Middle East, stop pretending that you are American. All right, brother. I triggered I triggered someone from Toronto. I was just joking, my brother. I was just joking. But yeah, I'm not from Middle East. I'm literally from Africa, if you really want to know. I'm literally from Africa. Yeah, it's so many parts of the world. That's crazy. That's amazing. That's what we want to see, though. That's me right now. My eyes burned, and I have to call it a night from back testing. Yeah, you got to. You got to. Listen. One tip that I learned also. Oh shit! I gotta stop talking. It's ripping, guys. Sheesh. Come on, come on, come on. I won't lie. I might bitch out of that trade at 12. Might bitch out of that trade at this internal high. I won't lie. Okay, it's pumping. All right. Can't tease me like that. Hit it. Hit it, my brother. Gonna be 8 p.m. Yo, I am starving. Literally, what Brett said is true. I really need to make a segment, like a 30-minute segment where you guys choose whatever I eat. I order it and I eat it, and I literally do a mukbang. Oh, shit! Oh! That is a fat 1-minute bar. Adding the reaction. Oh! Oh shit, it's actually ripping right now. See? The daily high. Come on. Give it to me. I'm already break even at this point. I already break even at this point, so you know what I'm saying? If it comes back right now, I swear to God. I'm not gonna jinx myself, you know. I believe that in life, you attract what you think about all the time. So I will think about positive stuff, and a positive outcome will happen to me. All right? You guys agree, chat? Let's not think about us being stopped out, break even. Let's think about us hitting TP and splitting the profits together, going to a nice restaurant. All right, okay, that's a good push right there. Okay, I kind of want to take some profits right there. I won't lie. Guys. Close. I already want to close, and you're telling me to close, bro. I might close at this point. Lead. If you're in longs and it's like 2 a.m. for you, you might as well just literally close it and go to sleep. I won't lie. How many people? Okay, someone is asking how many people here are from Slovenia. Slovenia? What are you guys speaking there? Russian? Or Slovenian or some? I don't know anything about those countries actually. I just know the people that are there all look good. They all mock. Literally, you go like to one of those Eastern countries, and you're like, oh shit, everyone's like blue eyes, clear skin, and like they have blonde hair. Croatia. Oh, okay. The Croatia I know, because Croatia is good at soccer. Croatia I know. We're up a bando. We're up a bando. Are we being greedy or not? We're up a bando, guys. Bando. Am I gonna call it? I swear. That's the thing. Every time I'm in a trade, I ask myself this question. If it reverses back on me right now, how am I gonna feel? And right now, I wouldn't feel any sort of way because there's actually no way it doesn't hit the previous daily high right now. Literally. If it doesn't hit it, might as well stop me. I'll break even and let me break my mic for real. Because at this point, bro. I'll let it some room. You know, we still have plenty of time left together. So like, you know. We get it bang in the chat. Yo, I'm gonna scream. It's my life. We win this trade. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. You are North African? Yes. From, yeah. Ethnicity-wise, yeah. I'm from Algeria. Algeria. Do you trade select or growth plans? I don't. Right now, currently, my favorite plan was stop spamming the question, bro. Like I saw your question. The best plan for me is the Lightning account. For me, because I you know, it's just me, but I hate passing those evals, you know, because especially since I trade with a 1-to-1, after that, it's like I don't really benefit the fact of, you know, letting my runners run. You know, I kind of like to jab my way to a payout anyways. So like I just like the Lightning funded accounts the most. Then I would say select and then growth. Used to be growth first. I think like if you're initially starting, the growths are the best because they're 1 day to pass. So like you could be a little bit more aggressive with them, you know, try to go for to pass them in 1 day and then yeah. But all the plans are great. You just need to know how to execute a system within those plans. And trading props is very different, I would say, to trading live, because your business approach, your business plan is far more important than your strategy. And I learned that also through time. But you know, even with a mediocre strategy, if you have the right business approach and you know exactly how much you should put in every single month in terms of costs, what account types you should buy, from what firm, this, that, how many trades you got to take in a day, are you going to split your accounts, split the risk? And once you have all of this in place, you know, the next series of 10, 15, 20 trades, either way, are based on, there's kind of a factor of market conditions, you know. So even if you have the best edge in the world, what's going to happen within the next 10 trades is not necessarily going to, you know, replicate. It's not going to give you the exact pinpoint KPIs of your strategy. So, you know, the exact win rate, the exact risk to reward, etc. So in general, I would say you could get a lot of profits from having not that good of a strategy with props, 100%. If you know how to play them, if you know how to manage them, and if you are a good risk manager, also 100%. If you know how to manage your risk, go very far. Pulling back on us. Pulling back on us. That wick, I won't lie, I don't like. I don't like that wick. We're in beef right now. So I'll mark out this 5-minute gap. Pretty far away from the area of my entry, but you know, you can see that this rally up took, I would say 15 minutes. So no, I would say 30. Let's say 30. All right, I'm not gonna stretch it. But this hourly candle is closing strong. What am I going to be expecting for the next hour is a candle as strong as this one. You know, if it closes strong and bullish, I am not going to expect any reversals to happen. I am expecting, what is it happening right now? Okay, I thought I crashed. I was like, bro, first stream crashing, bad looks. Yeah. So yeah, I'm expecting another bullish bar to actually print within the hourly chart. So wiping out the daily highs here. 100%. Basically, so what I'm going to do is once we pop 105 here, okay, so above that internal high on the 5-minute chart, I'm going to put my stop loss at 89 and just actually lock in some profits if it wants to go back down again. So we'll see. We'll see what it can do. We're up 920. We are rich. We are wealthy. Let me see. Where's my chat? My chat disappeared. Alright, it's here. Look at this kid. Alright. What are you guys thinking? Are you guys just seeing this price action right here? Who would take out profits at 12 rather than 20 and not be greedy for that extra 10 points? Let me know in the chat. Who's taking profits at 12 here at this internal high, this hourly high, rather than going for the daily high? I might do that, I won't lie. Yeah. For anyone who's sleeping right now, we are taking trades, making money while you guys are sleeping. That's exactly the comment Ada made. How do you sleep without? Wait, no, that's not this comment I want to see. Wait, that's not the comment I thought I was talking about. I was talking about another comment. Shit, I forgot. Trail your stop. Miriam, how are you doing, my sister? Miriam, my we need to have someone with a YouTube channel called Miriam, my sister. We had one called Brett, my brother. So now we need another one. Trail your stops. I won't lie, like at this point, like really, that's how I think. At this point, if it doesn't hit at least this high, I might as well crash out anyways. You know, that's how I see it. It's like, what are the odds of this not happening? I might as well stop trading if it doesn't hit this high. What do you think about this overall like framework and thought process? That's literally the worst everything to say. Oh, 556 likes. We might need to do another giveaway. Yeah, we need to do another giveaway again. Shit. Oh my days. Miriam is gorgeous. Yes, she is. She's my sister. We literally have the same genes. I longed the fuck. I longed the fuck. Oh my days. You're killing me. I won't lie, guys. I don't like that pullback. Kind of have a beef with that pullback. I longed the fuck. Out of gold, my opponent better be sweating. Oh my god. We share the same great uncles, brothers, sister. Yeah. Exactly. Mas, should I take longs now? I won't lie. I'm thinking about taking profits. You know? So like it might be a weird time to take some longs. Hourly candles closing. Making me sweat a little bit. Making me sweat a little bit. You know what? I'm gonna trust it. I'm gonna trust my analysis. I want to see the previous daily high. We're not gonna bitch out of that trade. We are gonna take ownership of that trade, and if I lose, I lose. All right, I really don't care. But if it breaks structure at 69, might have to mute my mic. Literally. Pack it up. Pack it up. Oh shit. Pack it up. Pack it up is actually a rage bait. It's a good rage bait. Get ready for the first and last. Yeah, if I lose this one, that's literally the last. If I lose on this trade, bro, it's consolidation, bull flag, double top to the moon. Yeah. Right now, the odds of us being stopped out to break even are like 0. Right? I'm saying this with my chest. Positive vibes only. I am not letting this come back to me, I swear. And if it does, I don't know how I'm gonna react though. Man, I'm dying here. It's 2 in the morning. Bro, Mints, go to sleep, bro. If you are in this trade though, you'd hold. Good thing's gonna happen. It's gonna rip. It's gonna rip. I'm telling you. Take profit now or reverse. Drops trades LLC, bro. Go take care of your LLC, my brother. I'm joking. Say with your chest. Yeah, yeah. Oh shit! No. This is hourly. Wagwan. Come on. Come on, pop, man. Come on. If it reverses right now, it's gonna be crazy. Some crazy action is gonna happen. Hourly candle just closed. We popped that high. We might suffer from a pullback right here. We might. Go, Brev. Tokyo opened. Whoa. What is this? Those wicks. Yes. Come on. To the moon. Yes, come on. Give that to me. I literally deserve it. He deserved that win. I worked hard for that win. I'm literally starting to tweak out right now as we speak. Yes. Yep. 802. 8:02 p.m. Yeah, I'm literally trading a high risk reward, bro. Like you see, like they're making me change my play style for a cup. Literally, come on. What is that? Yeah, the pump is crazy, Brett. Yeah, you gotta let me know if I gotta exit this. I swear to God, right now it's I actually need to take a decision. A part of me is like, don't be greedy. Another part of me is like, don't be a bitch. It's for sure gonna hit. Is it? Is it? I'm about to short, take the gains. Alright, we're gonna fight this, Brett. I swear to God. Fighting this. No, I'm gonna sell this for a bend. Alright, I sold this for a bend. I got scared. I did get scared. But for a reason though. I've been in this trade for literally the last hour. Alright. Very good trade. And right now it's gonna pump as soon as I left. But and even Miriam literally beefing with me in the chat. Amos, take your win. This short looks juicy. This short looks juicy. It does. It definitely does. But yeah, exactly. That's one thing I'll do. The thing is also is like I took like $600-700 loss. Like I needed that win. If it would have went back all the way to, you know, break even, it would have been the wrong play for sure, especially you know, considering the fact that I lost on that first one, chasing the 1 minute orb. But yeah, beautiful trade. I'm up around like what, 400 on the day currently. So, you know, if my opponent is literally, you know, down on his day and, you know, took bad trades during the Asia session or the London session, maybe I will not even need to trade on New York session. So we'll see. But yeah, really good thing that you said, Brett. I can switch to 5 micros. And yeah, if I had micros on this trade, it would have been better for sure. I would have taken out some profits on the way up here at 83, some more at 100, and maybe let at least a runner back towards I don't know, maybe 200 for the New York session. We don't know. But W trade, can we get some W's in the chat for that trade, guys? That was a W. Well, first Asia stream, we take literally a 1-2. Wait, my stop loss was here at first, so like 1.5, but then every time I see a big spike, I put my stop loss back below the most recent low. So I'll take the benefit of a 1-3. All right, I'll take it. A beautiful trade. Thank you, Brett. Thank you, Brett, my brother, for the W's. Let's go. Oh, it's ripping. Take out that high. 12 was gonna be my take profit anyways. I was not gonna be that greedy and you know, wait all the way to 20s. But yeah, that was my thesis. You see, this is something that I learned through a lot of backtesting. When the daily candle closes, it forms a daily high and low. And every time I would wake up during the New York session, and my old mentor used to say, scalp the daily highs and lows. And I would look at the daily highs and lows that were already swept. So then I was like, wait, how did we sweep them? we swept them during the Asia session every time, or during the London session if Asia accumulated. So then I was like, oh, maybe I can scalp them during the Asia session. And this is exactly what we're doing together on this session, and we're going to be doing every single day starting from today. So beautiful trade, beautiful framework. And right now, since Brett and Miriam are going to look for shorts, I pray to God that this candle flips on every single one of you guys who are still in long. All right. I got to pray for my brothers and sisters. You know, I already took out my profits. I don't need the money anymore. But I would say I went against my rule in the first place on the first trade. I chased the breakout when in reality the first thing that I wanted to do was enter on a limit order with a wide stop. This is literally what I was willing to do. This was my game plan literally before the Asia stream started. I was literally gonna say, all right, gonna put a limit order below lows at a certain pullback level, and you know, manage it. As soon as I'm gonna get the pop, I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even, and then potentially re-enter if price is not ready. But you know, took the first loss, learned from it, and now we're in profits. So yeah, Masu killed it. Thank you, Marian. Appreciate you, my sister. I had to review. Don't take it for that. I'm joking, brother. I was literally, yo, drops. Go take care of your LLC, brother. That was a good rage bait, though. Yo, it was literally one tick from my TP. Bro, Jack, what are you doing trading at 2 a.m.? This is literally not your session. Go to sleep. Wake up for London session at 7 a.m. Finally, a great trader for Asia Sesh. Thanks for being here, Moss. I don't know if you're gonna say this every stream. Hopefully you will. I don't know if it's gonna be a banger like this one every stream, but you know, I'll get your hopes too high. We still need some adaptation for the Asia session. But yeah, appreciate you, my brother. Explain this trade idea. I think I explained that trade idea like 55 times. But basically scalping the daily highs and lows of a daily candle that is closing either strong or very weak. Okay, so here you can see that daily bar, we are at all-time highs. I am never going to look for shorts at any point in time before the previous daily high. Right there we have the daily low. For me, we have more chance of seeing the daily high than the daily low. So I will look for signs of confirmation that buyers are in control when the daily candle opens up. That is pretty much my framework. So yeah. Yep. Okay, Miriam, you made 1.7. Okay, yeah, you're chilling. How did you make 1.7 on that? How? I'm curious, actually. Oh, you traded gold. You full ported gold. You degen. Now I understand. I was like, how can you make 1.7k if I literally bottom tick the move? And that's like 1.4. Hey, chill. Don't rat me out. Don't rat me out. You're long on NQ. Yo, can you ban her? Oh shit, you fucking killed me right there. Don't rat me out. What mentorship was the most beneficial to you? None. My own experience was the mentorship that was the most beneficial for me. And I think it's going to be the same case for every single one of you. there's gonna be no amount of information that are gonna make you a good, a good trader. You're gonna be a good analyst, but you're not gonna be a good trader. And the only way for you to truly believe in your edge and truly believe in your strategy and the power of it is if you don't trust someone else's word for it. It's if you trust your own word for it. I swear, none. Literally none. Literally my own work. None of other people's work. Literally. That's the mentorship that helped me the most. Being truthful. Also, do you journal all your trades? I won't lie. Kind of been slacking on journaling lately. But I do journal a lot, and I do back this. I used to back this a lot. I don't back this anymore. But one thing that was very beneficial for me was journaling my backtesting. So having a Discord. So I had a Discord with only me in it, and I had channels of different strategies I wanted to backtest, and then took pictures of every single trade I would take, throw them there, and then at the end of the day, when I was very exhausted of backtesting, I would look back at those pictures, and I was going to be like, all right, what did I do wrong? What did I do right? And try to look for recurring a theme between the wins and the losses, and then would add conditions and would add would look for different things within the next session in backtesting also. Yeah, I literally took a mentorship from a nun, guys. Yeah, exactly. Literally nun. The guy's name is Nun. I'm gonna trade tomorrow. Good to chat with you. Appreciate you, my brother. Appreciate you for being there. Appreciate every single one of you guys who showed up for the first stream. Amazing. It's amazing, guys. Amazing first stream. Classic answer from someone selling a mentorship. Facts. I agree. I'm just telling the truth though. Because my strategy is completely different to most people. Same here. I have my own system. Can seriously say no one else has this. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's like, you see, Matt, no one can take away that edge from you. Like, no matter how much someone tries to, let's say, tell you that what you're doing is wrong or your approach is wrong, you will never listen to them because you have the hard proof behind why you should keep trading it. Gonna back this one more month and sleep. Just go to sleep, bro. Wait, yo, Maz, these Asian session will be so much help. It's 5:43 a.m. here in India. 5:43 a.m. Oh my god. I appreciate you for the comment, but I don't remember waking up that early. If I'm up that early, it's because I didn't sleep. I swear to God. And I was up like 5 times like that this year. I like 4 or 5. No, I would say like 5, 6 a.m. Sorry, 5, 6 a.m. And it was because I had a flight at like 7, and I didn't sleep. I love to hear when people use their own Discord as a diary journal. Yeah, this is literally what I did. You don't need anything else. You literally create your own Discord. You're the only one in it, or you put your trading buddy in it. That you make sure that the person that you're creating the Discord with is not going to take advantage of the work you're putting in. That's really important, because if you're putting in a lot of work to know if the models work and the other person is not doing shit, then you just do the Discord on your own at this point. So yeah, you don't need more than a Discord that you throw the pictures in, and you see the comment. How long did it take you to get your first payout? Oh, that's a good question. It took me what? It took me like 8 months, 8-9 months. Yeah, the shorties are coming in. Shorties are coming in right now. Yeah, exactly. When you stopped following signals, and this is the moment you found success, Cito. Good comment, bro. That's exactly. You have your own YouTube channel? Yes. Amos PFT. We'll take the short. No, I'm done. I'm literally. I don't think I'm gonna take any other trades here within the session. I'm already up pretty good amount. But let me put this. Let me go here. Let's take a look at the dashboard together, guys. Let me put it out here. Let's see if we can find the trade replay, because that tool that Brett talked about, I don't know how you can generate that, but it looks interesting to me. Okay. Let me go Grand Cup. Let's take a look at that. Okay. Can I load it up? Gonna take some time. I'm gonna read some more comments. Eesh. How can I? Okay, but like, how can I see the? Can we actually see the live? Oh yeah, full bracket. Oh shit. Okay, this is fire. Oh my god. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna share that. Yeesh. I actually don't know how to navigate this, but we're gonna find out together. Bracket. So, leaderboards. Let's see all leaderboards. Okay. Remember, guys, we are currently in the round of the Grand Cup. Okay, so right now I'm in an outlaw. There's 24 outlaws. If you beat an outlaw in one round, you get the bounty amount. So let's say for me or a trader like Miriam, Spudnik, Rebecca, if you beat us in a round, you get to win $5,000, which is pretty amazing. But we are gonna do everything in our power to never touch those 5K. Okay, sorry for you guys, but we are gonna try our hardest to win this. But currently, let me take a look at how those bracket works and everything here. So there is 1,024 traders remaining, 4 groups. So the groups are from Bullpen, Beer Pit, Shark Tank, Whale Pod. Okay, and then after that, okay, there's 255 matches needs to be done. Okay, so let's say let's take this into perspective right there. Okay, so let's say you have a round. Okay, it's 128, so then it's 64, 32. Okay, so how many opponents do you need to go to the finals? So you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need 8. You need to beat 8 opponents back to back for you to be in the finals, which is kind of crazy. It is crazy, and every single day you need to beat someone. You're gonna have a new opponent, and you have a 50K account. There's no daily loss limit, no drawdown. Basically, your drawdown is the 50K, the whole 50K. So you can take some good risk there. There's different brackets. I won't lie. This is amazing how they made that. It's like I'm pretty shocked. I just saw that for the first time. But yeah, so make sure to tune in. and watch those leaderboards tomorrow. Also, we're gonna do a big recap during the morning session and also during the power hour. We're gonna talk about the leaderboards, who's actually dominating their opponents, who's the outlaw that is doing well, who got also killed by another trader here within the Tradeify community. But we're gonna see it's gonna be a very, very fun cup. Looking to see how well I can do within those tournaments, because you guys already know my playstyle is a little bit different, so I need to adapt my playstyle to the cup, and I need to let my runners run. But I will say the big chunk of it is going to be tomorrow morning at 9:30, so you don't want to miss the open tomorrow. There's going to be hella action, and also currently we're seeing big moves. It's not small moves, it is moves from anywhere from 100 to 300 handles. Okay, literally every single out. So even if you're in drawdown right now, or you're in a tough position, there's a lot of money to be made tomorrow, for sure. So I am sitting on my account right now currently. Let me see how much I made. Okay, so I'm up $243. I'm up a little bit less than I thought. So I started with a loss, which shouldn't have been a loss, because I just I had a tight stop for I don't know what reason, and then made that back on that push up. Very, very good trade. Still didn't respected my thesis overall, which was to go for the previous daily high. Still got the initial push though. It would have been, once I would have seen that down move right here, I would have taken out some profit. So that exit right there ended up being a pretty good exit, I won't lie, not being a dick for a tick. So yeah, I want to see. I'm looking to see if how far I can go there. Okay, if you had to choose one outlaw, okay, that's the question I'm gonna ask you, chat. If you had to choose one outlaw that you can literally bet money that he's gonna be in like the semifinals or like the quarterfinals, who would it be and why? That's a good question. Okay. And I have my I'll let you guys know which one I think, but after everyone says their answer. But which outlaw do you think is gonna be the hardest to kill, hardest to beat? Spud? Okay, Nick M or Spud? Specify the Nick. Nick, good luck with your Grand Cup. I must appreciate you, my brother. Miriam, Rips, Nick, Matcha Mommy, Hamas. Thank you, Marco. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate. I was waiting for my name, but come on. I'm literally there. All right, Miriam, Brett. Okay, there's a lot of Miriam fans here. All right, Miriam, I don't know if you're still here, but holy shit. Don't let those people down. AJ. AJ. I don't know if AJ ever traded in his life. Literally. I don't even know, actually. I talked to him once in Miami. He's a very cool dude. I'm lost taking this cup. Man, I won't lie. I just need to take it seriously. But not too seriously, because if I take it too seriously, I'm gonna put too much pressure on myself and I'm gonna do bad. I gotta be in a flow state, take it seriously, but not too much. So then, that those funky trades will get me far. If AJ wins, I close. Bro, I swear, I don't even know if AJ knows how to put on a trade. He doesn't look like he knows. Any prize for the top 1,000? I don't know how the prize pool is distributed though. I would need to check the rules. But make sure to watch tomorrow during the open and during the power hour, because it's gonna move a lot. Some outlaws are gonna die tomorrow. Some people are gonna make hella money tomorrow, and there's gonna be a lot of action, and you don't want to miss out any of those days actually, because Every day is important, and every day you gotta trade. Every day you gotta make the best out of your 1 mini or 10 micros, literally. Well, we're gonna be trading this account together every day during the Asia stream. That's what I'm gonna do, and also during my lunch hour for sure. But during the lunch hour, I like to gamble my live account. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Did I take a trade today? Yeah, I took 2 trades. I took that long, which ended up. Oh shit! Don't tell me you guys are not in shorts. That is a pretty fat candle. In it. That is a big push. If you're in shorts, the Drake meme is like not looking too good. Speaking of flow state, Miriam is reading a book called Flow. Are you? Yeah, shorts are not looking good right now. Amos, you are the best outlaw, brother. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, Jesse James. We're gonna see how much profits I can make tomorrow morning. You gotta trust me. Tomorrow at 9:30, it's gonna be wild. It's gonna be wild for sure. The Giddy. Nice. I don't know. I'm just a podcast guy. I just hate like books. You know books, what I use them for? If I can't sleep, I'll literally take a book and I'll start sleeping after like 5 minutes of reading it. Literally. It's so boring to me. And I don't know. I have too much energy for a book. It's like I need dopamine. And the only dopamine is like playing a game. Let's say I play a game and then I have the podcast behind, you know, in the background. Or like I back this and then I have the podcast in the background. I'm that kind of nerd, you know. Damn, it's already 12:30. Freaking 8:30. Wow. Damn, guys, it was an amazing session. First ever Asia stream. Can we get some W's in the chat, guys? Amazing stream. We had the initial segment with Brett. Took a banger trade together. Took out some profits. Made around $250 on my Grand Cup account. Looking to see more profits tomorrow, but hopefully my opponent is down already. But yeah, beautiful stream. I will be live every single day from Sunday all the way through Thursday from 5:55 p.m. all the way to 8:30 p.m. EST. We're doing the Asia session. We're going to be trading gold and NQ. We're going to go for those previous daily highs and lows, try to scalp them in a different manner, 1-to-1, and try to build that consistency. Appreciate you guys so much, and I see you guys tomorrow at the same time.